Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. And here we've got the current keyboard. So actually we've got two of them. Now we can switch between both by tapping on word icon. Actually, there is not much difference. But if you'll tap on settings icon and select languages, you can smoothly add a new keyboard. Select the language that you want to apply. Let me choose, for example, Arabic, so we can see the difference clearly. Tap on done. Now we can remove unnecessary languages. Let's go back then. And as you can see, new keyboard language has been applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.